So let's start. The first, making this line should be oval. So it's circle kind of. Okay, first make the basic shapes of circle. Okay, first circle. After the circles, I just create the straight line. I just make first the basic shapes. Okay, do first this one. Do the first basic step like this. First. Yes, now. Make sure this is a one light coming exactly in front of us.
Good afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon. So let's start the first. Draw the line. Step one.
Okay, sir.
Step one. The step one is circle basically. Step one is circle. Step two are making the circle and do those things. Okay. And one, two, three. So I just make it the same height. One, two, three. Okay. And then step three are okay, one, two, three. Step three part is just I mentioned this thing. Okay. This is one, in the middle two, which is three, and the same height is here four. Okay. Four. So I just erasing this line. Make sure this line, the eyes line, nose line, and here you can be writing the mouth line. So this is our first meet. Okay, first meet. This is it. That means here I just make it this one line, here I make it this forehead line, and here I make the same height, the chin line. Okay. So here to here, here to here, one, here to here, two, and here to here is the three, the same height. Same height. Okay. So I make it an old person how to draw the old 90 years old characters. So I just got it here, the nose positions. I got the nose position here. Okay. I got this. If I erase this line, I create the two lines here and here. Okay. So this is your mouth line and this is your chin line. For human head, see how it looks. I draw this character so you can see this how looks coming this character. Okay. So just make this add the line. So this line should become in the straight, but from here it is coming like this, and from the basically from the jawline, the jawline you can do like this is jawline, right? Mouth line is jawline. Okay, in this line you can just zoom across the like this, the basic steps. Okay, how long you can draw. And then this way the neck. Okay. from here also you can create the straight line. Okay, see the straight line is coming up. This is the eyes line, and here I can draw the another line is the eyes line. See, this is the eyes line, and this is the nose line. Okay, ma'am. So we are consider is a nose line, and consider this is the eyes line. So see, this what the thing is that, okay, here if I divide it, here to here also if I divide it, okay, so you can see here this line, basically you can this line, that much your that much your basically the forehead. After that here is started. So 1, 2 and 3, the same height, see. Okay, so your eyebrow start from, if it is this line, eyebrow start, this is the in top of eyebrow start. Here is eyebrow start, basically. Okay, and eyes is down. See this line, eyes is down. Here is the eyes, so not up. In this line, so eyes basically in down on this line. Okay, here is eyes positions. Okay. So first make the position, okay, of all these positions, then you can go ahead. I can see these characters. This line here is a down. See here, this down. This part is down, right? That's why always I draw like this line. See, this is a down line. You can imagine this one line here. Here, just imagine this one line. Okay. So make this the proportion of human heads, and you can see here was one line. Here is one of the line, right? You can see here also line. Okay, ma'am, understood? Here is also. So from that much, from this eyebrow, you can make this one line. This eyebrow lines from these two lines is coming this line. Okay. When I draw, just watch, not draw now. First watch my drawing, and I share you. When I tell you to start drawing, then start. When I finish, now only understand these things. What I want to share you. Okay, the human head and the ear line should be in this line. I made. No, here the ear line. This portion, this is for the all character. It is for the all age group up to this adult, after the adult, like after 80 years old to the 18 years old to almost 18 now, you can 17, 16 to 100 years, the same steps are almost, okay. All character, all human, all male, female are the same. Only little chin narrow for the female, but the rest of the things are same for the male, female, up to 16 years old to 100 years or more than that, the same shapes we are maintaining for the character. So first make this one, next we'll go for the next step. Fine. So now what is changes for coming in see? I just erasing this part. Okay. The old man. So that's why these eyes are doing I do this little bit of changes. I make it a little bit down like this. First is coming for old man, it says eye is like this, both sides is coming down. And started the wrinkles. Started the wrinkles like this. Eyebrow part, it is also coming down. Okay, this is look like here. It's down, not up, and it's also both sides. If I erase in this part, okay, I just slowly erase in this part. the eyebrow is coming down. Fine. So now if you think the eyebrow also, you can see here going down, like more the flow of the eyebrow is looking going down. It looks like a little sad type of, but the character if is making the mouth, when I'm making the mouth are doing. So this part for young character I using this part, but the old character are not doing this part if the character is smiley. Here the character is smiley, so I just erasing this line and the position is this. In this position I create the character smiley like this. Okay. So nose, I share the nose techniques. How to make the nose. Just draw like this. Draw like this and make it like this. Okay. Just create here one line here, the curve line, and erasing this two parts and just join this and erasing the upper part and join this. So this is the nose. Okay, you draw like this, then coming the perfect nose position. Okay, nose are look like this. Okay, so I just do the same things here. I make this line. I do this line. I make this. Okay, and I just create this line like this and do like. So this is the nose technique. Like creating this both sides. Okay. Here you can make this like this. Okay, just erasing this line. Not this line is not required. Just make it like this, like this. So I just make like this. So this is the old man. So I just make it a little bold, little like this. Old man nose are coming little bit more down. This part is coming little down. Old man, this part is coming down. So mouse also little goes down like this. How is coming slowly old. So create here this two line because old man have a wrinkle, lots of wrinkle in face. Okay, I just create the, just watch first, okay, not draw now. First how where I make the line or more focus. Here also wrinkles. So how create this is old man. The ear parts are making little flat. Young time, ear is not that flat, but when this old, that character is looks like ear is very loosey and then come out like this. Okay. So everybody have in house some old person, father or grandfather. You can watch it. You can see this where the wrinkles is coming this side also. Okay. How to make this? Eyes are usually not visible. Here the eyebrow is coming bigger like this. Here the wrinkles. especially the eyes side are into the coming first and then the mouth sides. Okay. Here is a no here. It's little before. The speed also coming down. It's going like this. A little bit of no here. Maybe you can put here this side a little bit of, because in this age here is not that much. If you show here, then look younger, and here the neck and this thing is also making this to looks more. Focus the technique first, okay? Then draw. First you see this is not the jawline is not that much strong because of old age, so it is coming like this. The old age character, so the jawline not strong. It is coming little bit of ups and down. This the double chin is coming over here. Okay, coming in double chin. Now those. Okay, here. So learn this details. Okay, I tried. Anybody know any doubts? If you doubt and tell me, first make this face clear, add the chashma, the glass. But now your time start.